Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today we are going to crochet these super easy earrings. They are very beginner friendly, extremely perfect for the summer, very bohemian, and just takes a couple of minutes to make them. So if you're ready, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions for me, please write it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. For the earrings, we will need to have the following materials. We're going to use a raffia yarn, a crochet hook size 4mm, a yarn needle, if you have smaller it's even better, scissor, 2 rings, these are 2 centimeters, earring hangers, little pompons, these ones are 1 centimeters, and a glue gun. We will start by grabbing one of the ring, getting the raffia yarn. I'm going to fold this initial part in two, going to insert it in the middle, insert the crochet hook, hold on too tight, and now just pull over the raffia. And now we are going to crochet over this raffia yarn as well. So we are going to make in total 16 single crochets into this ring. So under 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last one, 16. Great. Okay, so we crocheted around. It's gonna be extremely easy now. We are just going to grab the first chain, this first single crochet stop that we created here, grab the yarn, and we are going to make a slip stitch just like this. I'm going to leave a longer yarn, raffia. Going to pull that out. We have to do it a little bit with the finger, so just try to help it. Okay, going to add the yarn needle. The smaller you have, the better and easier that you can work with this. So have a look. We want to kind of make this gap disappearing, so we don't want it to be visible. So not this one that it's straight comes after, but the one after, we're coming from this point, going through, pull it through to the other side, and then we're coming back to the same point where we were, just like this. Try to recreate this kind of little V's on top, and now in the back we're just gonna make a couple of stitches. We don't want to interfere much with the pattern, but just want it to disappear. Just a couple of stitches, so it's gonna be nicely hidden. Okay, and once we're done with that, you can just get the scissor and cut the excess raffia off. Now we will get the earring hook. We're going to try to find the top point where we just did the joining. I don't actually know where it is, so that means something good. It means that it's nicely hidden. So I'm going to just add it to a point where I feel that maybe it could be, yeah, here. I'm gonna pass it through, and then we're just going to close it on the other side. Okay, you have to make one more from this one, and then I am going to come for the decoration process. So now we are going to attach it on the earrings, going to kind of pull it so it's everywhere on the side, this little nice chains. Okay, I'm going to grab one of these pompons, add a bit of glue, and then just attach it on the side. We're going to try to add on equal distances these pompons. And yeah, one is completed, and now just don't forget you have to do exactly the same on the other side as well. So our super easy bohemian pompon earrings just got ready. I hope that you enjoyed making them and your earrings turned out really beautiful. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to support me with a yarn, you can do it in a Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So thank you for joining me today, and see you very soon. Bye.